as promised, here is the Squid Games build video. You haven't seen the first one? No. Stop this, go back, watch the first one, then come back and enjoy this video. And that's it, that's my Squid Games bike completed. Hang on, it's missing something. I know. Perfection. Squid Game bike, completed it, mate. Big hello to all my new subscribers, thanks for hanging out with me. And if you're not subscribed, well, do it. Hang out, let's do this. Oh, and follow me here on Instagram, because Instagram's sick.